Welcome to Innovative Technology Services. Today you can learn how to install Xampp on your Windows PC. Before installing Xampp you need to download. So, please go to Google and write Xampp. Bellow you have Apache friends. Go to Apache friends and download Xampp which one you want. After successfully downloading Xampp, right-click on Xampp.exe file and click Run on Administrator. After that you have pop-up warning message, don't worry just click OK. Now you have set up window and click Next button. Click Next. Select directory folder where you want to set up your Xampp or server directory folder. Click Next. Uncheck Learn more about Bitnami for Xampp. Click Next. Click Next. Install in progress until complete setup process. Click Allow Access button, if applicable to allow app through firewall. Click on Finish button. Select your language. Now start your Apache and MySQL. Click Allow Access button. Congratulations, your local server was installed. Now check it's installed properly or not. Yes, Xampp installed successfully and Xampp works properly. Thank you for watching this video. If you like these videos then please like and subscribe our channel to keep with us.